Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2022 Cadillac Escalade. This SUV came with a clean carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the SUV to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Alright, that looks fine. Let's take a look at the hood of the car. Perfect. I'm not seeing any dents or paint chips at all. Let's move on to the driver, fender, and wheel. Okay, this fender is in really good condition, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the driver's side doors. The front and back door look fine. I'm not seeing any dents or scratches on either door here. Let's take a look at the quarter panel and wheel. Okay, the quarter panel has no dents or scratches, and the wheel has no curb rash at all. So the driver's side is in good condition. I'm not seeing anything wrong. Let's take a look at the back of the SUV. Okay, back here everything is fine. No dents, no scratches at all. Let's move on to the passenger quarter panel and wheel now. This quarter panel has no scratches, no dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the passenger side doors. The front and back door here are perfect, not a scratch or dent on them at all. Now the last fender and wheel, good, no scratches on the fender, and the wheel has no curb rash at all. So the exterior of this SUV is in excellent condition. Now we're going to take a look inside, and we're going to start with the driver's seat. Alright, the front seat is perfect. I'm not seeing any wear and tear. Let's have a look at the back seat. And the back seat is perfect as well. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to take a look at the passenger side. Okay, I'm not seeing any wear and tear over here at all. Let's take a look at the door panel. Alright, everything here is brand new and in good condition. Let's take a look at the back seat. Perfect. So the passenger side is in good condition as well. Now that I'm inside, let's have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the center console. Perfect. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. Alright, the steering wheel is in excellent condition. I'm not seeing any wear and tear at all. The buttons look good and the leather stitching is perfect. So the interior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to take a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.